My name is Venkat MD, Director of Time Tirupati. So, in this video, I will discuss with you circular tracks for our CAT and other competitive examinations. So, circular tracks it is. So, circular tracks. So, what is meant by circular track? Circle it is just like tracks are in the shape of a circle. So, if the tracks are in the shape of a circle, 2 persons are running around a circular track, 3 persons are running around a circular track. Now, 2 persons are running in opposite direction or 2 persons are running in the same direction. Okay, 3 persons are running in the same direction. How much time takes to meet first time? How much time take to meet first time at the starting point again? So, these type of questions we will discuss in this circular track cities. Okay. Now, now here some key notes are there. So, that key notes you have to know first. So, what are the key notes here in a circular track? So, the first one is 2 persons are running around a circular track. It is just like it is, listen to me carefully. 2 persons are running around a circular track. It is just like it is a circle. Let it be, it is a circle. Now, circular track it is. So, 2 persons start from the same point. It is. So, the first case is, let it be, they are running in opposite direction just like it is. They are running in opposite direction. The 2 persons start from the same point. If they are running in opposite direction, definitely they meet. Definitely they meet first time. Definitely they meet first time after certain time. So, that is called time taken to meet first time ever. Okay, if they are running in opposite direction, so they meet first time, it is called time taken to meet first time ever. That you have to calculate how much time takes to meet first time ever. The second case is here, if they are running in opposite direction, time taken to meet first time at the starting point. So, just like they are running in opposite direction, definitely they meet again at the starting point. But after how much time again the 2 persons meet at the starting point here. So, here there are 2 cases. If they are running in opposite direction, 2 cases are there. What is the first case? Time taken to meet first time at the first time ever. Second case is time taken to meet first time at the starting point it is. The similar way, if the 2 persons are running in the same direction again, they are running with the different speeds. Before they start, if they are at rest position, they are at the same place now. If they are at rest position, they are at the same place. If they run, if their speeds are different, automatically their positions also changes. If they are running in the same direction again, there are 2 cases it is. So, they meet first time at the starting point. But how much time takes? How much time takes to meet first time ever? How much time takes to meet first time at the starting point? Again, there are 2 cases if they are running in the same direction. So, here clearly, if the 2 persons are running around a circular track, the first case is, if they are running in opposite direction, again 2 cases, time taken to meet first time ever, time taken to meet first time at the starting point, 2 cases it is. Now, if they are running in the same direction, again 2 cases are there. The first one is time taken to meet first time ever, the second case is here time taken to meet first time at the starting point. So, there are some key notes related to that. So, by using that key notes you can do it very easily, but that key notes you have to put in your mind. I will discuss with you, I will explain you. So, in this video what are the key notes related to that it is. Okay. So, you have to draw this table carefully. See here, what is the table? So, here they are running in opposite direction, here opposite direction. Now, here if they are running in the same direction. So, here the first case is time taken to meet first time ever. Time taken to meet first time ever. Time taken to meet first time at the starting point here. Starting point. Okay. So, if they are running in opposite direction, 2 cases are there, time taken to meet first time ever, it is just like time taken to meet first time ever. Time taken to meet first time at the starting point again, they are running just like it is opposite direction, definitely they meet after certain time at the starting point. That is the second case, starting point, how much time takes. if they are running in opposite direction, if they are running in the same direction. What is the, here we require the time taken to meet first time if they are running in opposite direction. So, what is the time formula? Distance by speed. What is the time formula? Distance by speed, time taken equal to, so distance by speed it is. So, but instead of speed here you have to take the relative speed. When we apply relative speed, that we discussed in the, so time, speed and distance it is. When we apply the relative speed, already we discussed that in time, speed and distance, if they are in motion, if the two objects are in motion, then only you have to apply the relative speed it is. Now here the two persons are running, so you have to apply the relative speed it is. What is the relative speed? If they are running in opposite direction, relative speed equal to addition of the two speeds, opposite direction addition. If they are running in the same direction, subtraction. Yes, you can remember very easily. So, subtraction means the difference of the two speeds, that is about relative speed. If they are running in opposite direction, addition of the two speeds. If they are running in the same direction, subtraction, that is the difference of the two speeds it is. That is about relative speed. When we apply relative speed, if the two objects are in motion it is. Okay. Now, what is the distance here? Length of the track. So, that is given in the question, length of the track. Length of the track is to be given in the question. So, L it is, and that person speeds be A and B it is. That person speed be small a and small b it is. First person speed is small a and second person speed is small b it is. Okay, length of the track is L. Length of the track is L, and the first person speed is A, small a, and second person speed is small b it is. Okay, now here first case it is time taken to meet first time ever, time equal to distance by speed. Distance means length of the track L divided by relative speed. If they are running in opposite direction is addition of the two speeds. What is the addition of the two speeds here? A plus B. So, L by A plus B, that is the time taken to meet first time ever. If they are running in opposite direction, what is the time taken to first time ever? Time equal to distance by speed. Distance is the length of the track, L by, so speed is relative speed you have to take. If they are running in opposite direction, relative speed equal to sum of the two speeds it is. So, A plus B. So, very simple key point you put in your mind, L by A plus B. Time equal distance by speed, distance is the length of the track, by relative speed it is, opposite direction addition of the two speeds it is. Now, similar way same direction it is. What is the time taken? Okay, again here distance by relative speed you have to take, distance by relative speed. So, distance is again length of the track here, by relative speed they are running in the same direction, already discussed with you. So, same direction, subtraction of the speed, that is the difference of the two speed. Now, here let it be A is greater than B. Let it be here A is greater than B. In the two speeds, let it be A is greater than B. Why means relative speed is also must be positive it is. So, difference you have to take either A minus B or B minus A, which is greater, that you have to take first. Here I take A is greater than B here. So, difference of the speeds means A minus B. A minus B, relative speed is difference of the two speeds, A minus B. So, what is the time taken to meet first time? If they are running in opposite direction, time equal to distance by speed, distance is the length of the track, by relative speed is A plus B. So, if they are running in the same direction, time equal distance by speed, distance is here, length of the track by relative speed is here, same direction, subtraction, difference of the two speeds it is A minus B it is, L by A minus B. If they are running in opposite direction, L by, so A plus B. You can remember very easily, very simple keynotes it is. Now, the second case is here, time taken to meet first time at the starting point. Okay, at the starting point, after how much time again they meet. So, here for both opposite direction and same direction, the same keynote it is LCM of L by A comma L by B it is. If they are running in opposite direction or if they are running in the same direction, the same keynote we follow LCM of L by A comma LCM of L by B it is. So, very simple keynotes, in place of L, A, B questions are there. L is given in the question, length of the track is given, their speeds are given A and B. By using these keynotes you can calculate the, answers. It is very simple strategy. Okay, but these keynotes you have to put in your mind. Once again I will repeat, if they are running in opposite direction, if they are running in the same direction, there are two cases. In each and every case again two cases it is. If they are running in opposite direction, time taken to meet first time ever, time taken to meet first time at the starting point. If they are in the same direction also, time taken to meet first time ever, time taken to meet first time at the starting point it is. Okay, so I will discuss with you on each one example it is. See the question. the two persons A and B are running around a circular track of 1200 meters with respective speeds of 40 meter per second, 30 meter per second. Find the time taken to meet. Find the time taken to meet. First time ever 1. Case 1, they are running in opposite direction. 2, they are running in the same direction. That is the question. So, in this question, the length of the track is 1200 meters. Length of the track is given 1200 meters here. Length of the track is 1200 meters and their speeds also given. So, AB values is given 40 meter per second and so B is given 30 meter per second it is. AB values also there in the question. Length of the track is given, their speeds is given. Now, here A is greater than B. Now, here what is our first question? Find the time taken to meet first time ever if they are running in opposite direction it is. The first one is time taken to meet first time if they are running in opposite direction. What is our formula? Time equal to, so distance by relative speed, distance is length of the track here, L by, so relative speed is if they are running in opposite direction, A plus B it is. Okay. Now, length of the track is 1200 by 40 plus 30 it is. Okay, 40 plus 30. So, 1200 by 70. So, this is the time taken 120 by 7 seconds it is. By dividing 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 means 50 is there, 7 7 is 49, again 5. So, 17 approximately 17.1. So, meter per second it is, 17 meters per second. Okay. Now, the second question here, time taken to meet first time above if they are running in the same direction it is. If they are running in the same direction. So, what is the time here? So, distance by relative speed, distance is length of the track. What is the relative speed if they are running in the same direction here? Same direction, subtraction means the difference of the two speeds means A minus B. So, 1200 by 40 minus 30 it is, 40 minus 30. So, 1200 by, so 40 minus 30 is 10 here, 0 0 gets cancelled. So, 120 seconds it is. So, how much time takes if they are running in the same direction to meet at the starting part, to meet first time ever, if they are running in the same direction, how much time takes? 120 seconds it is. Okay. Now, here time taken to meet first time ever we calculated. So, opposite direction, same direction. Now, see here the second question. So, in this races, so in this circular tracks it is. So, circular tracks, the second question is here, two persons A and B are running around a circular track of 3600 meters with respective speeds of, so 180 kilometer per hour with respective speeds of 180 kilometer per hour, 144 kilometer per hour. Then find the time taken to meet first time at the starting point. First time at the starting point if they are running in the opposite direction, if they are running in the same direction, that is the question it is. Okay. Now, by observing here, so the length of the track is given 3600 meters here. The length of the track is here it is given, so 3600 meters it is, and the speeds are given in kilometer per hour, convert that into meter per second. First one is 180 kilometer per hour it is given. So, convert that into meter per second. How can you convert that into meter per second? Into 5 by, so 18 you get that value into meter per second it is. So, 18 tens gets cancelled, 5 into 10 is 50, so meter per second, that is very important. So, be careful in time, speed and distance about units it is, they must be in the same unit. Now, here the length of the track is given in meters. So, speed is also must be in meter per second, but in the question it is given kilometer per hour. You have to convert that into meter per second. How can you convert into meter per second? Into 5 by 18. So, 180 into 5 by 18 is 50 meters per second. Now, the second speed is also given here. So, B is 144 kilometer per hour. So, convert this also into meter per second. So, 144 into, so 5 by 18. We get that value into meter per second it is. So, 18 8 gets cancelled. So, 8 5 is 40 meter per second. So, their speeds are 50 meter per second and 40 meter per second. So the length of the track is 3600 meters and their speeds are 50 meter per second and 40 meter per second. But what is our question here? Find the time taken to meet first time at the starting point if they are running in opposite direction or if they are running in the same direction. For the two cases, opposite direction, same direction, according to our keynote, so the answer is same. What is the answer? LCM of L by A comma L by B. What is our answer? So what is the time taken to meet first time at the starting point means, so LCM of, this is the keynote. So LCM of L, what is L here? 3600. L by A means 50. So 3600 by, so B means 40 it is. LCM of L by A comma L by B. Now by cancellation here 0 0 gets cancel with 5 5 7 are 35, 5 2 72 it is. Now 0 0 4 90 it is. So for 72 and 90, for 72 and 90 you have to calculate the LCM, that gives our answer it is. What is the LCM of 72 and 90? Calculate LCM separately for 72 and 90 here. Okay, now both are divisible with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 30s it is again divisible with 3. So 3 8s, 3 10s it is again cancel with 2. So 2 4s, 2 5s it is. Okay, 5 4s are 20. So 22s 40, 43s 120, 123s 360. What is the LCM? 360. So how much time takes to, what is the time taken to meet first time at the starting point if they are running in opposite direction or if they are running the same direction? How much time takes to meet at the first time? So at the starting point, how much time takes? So 300 or 360. So 5 4 is 20, 22 60, 5 22 is 43 is 120, 360 seconds it is. What is our answer? 360 seconds it is. Okay, so only one keynote is there. If they are running in the same direction or opposite direction, time taken to meet first time at the starting point, that is LCM of L by A comma L by B, that you have to put in your mind it is. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss with you the remaining part of quant tricks it is. Okay, so thank you to all of you.